How many shells are there in the Olympic flag? Answer is 5. How many states of India share their boundaries with Bangladesh? Answer is 5 Indian states. How many taste buds are present on the tongue? 5. How many teeth an adult human has? 32. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? Answer is 24. How many times does a healthy human heart beat in a minute? 72 times. How many times does hummingbird beat its wings in a second? Answer is 80 times. How many valves are there in the heart of human body? Answer is 4. How many vowels are there in the English grammar? 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there in the Hindi alphabets? 11. How many watts is equal to 1 horsepower? Answer is 746 watts. How many World Heritage Sites have been recognized by UNESCO in India? 38 World Heritage Sites. How many years ago the Cretaceous period have ended? Answer is approximately 65 million years ago. How many years is the term of US President? Answer is 4 years. How much percentage of water is present on Earth's surface? Answer is 71%. How old is the solar system? Answer is 4.6 billion years. Hubble Space Telescope belongs to which country? Answer is America. Humayun's tomb located where? At New Delhi. Hyderabad is situated on the bank of which river? Answer is Musi River. If the president wants to resign, to whom he has to hand over the resignation letter? To vice president. In computer, who changed the source code into object code? Assembler. In Lal, Bal, Pal, who are Bal and Lal? Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai. In the list of planets, at what number our Earth is situated? 3rd place. In the revolt of 1857, who was the person first of all sacrificed his life? Answer is Mangal Pandey. What was the time taken by the constitutional framers of India to prepare our constitution? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. In which book is Gayatri Mantra mentioned? Answer is Rig Veda. In which cave is the statue of the face of Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara located? Elephanta Caves. In which city did the 3 historical wars of 1526, 1556 and 1761 taken place? Answer is Panipat, Haryana. In which city is the Jallianwala Bagh located? Amritsar, Punjab. In which city was the first metro rail service started in India? Answer is Kolkata. In which continent is the savanna grasslands are present? Answer is Africa. In which country is the kangaroo considered as a national symbol? Answer is Australia. In which country list pillars pyramids have been found? Answer is Misra in Egypt. In which country was paper invented? In China, 712 AD. In which direction does the earth rotates on its own axis? West to east. In which game is the term penalty kick used? Answer is football. In which game is the word bully used? Answer is hockey. In which game is the word Chinaman used? Answer is cricket. In which game is the word double fault used? Answer is tennis. In which Indian city is Jantar Mantar located? Answer is New Delhi. In which Indian state is the Visakhapatnam port located? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. In which only continent the giraffe lives? In Africa. In which part of our body are red blood cells formed? Answer is bone marrow. In which part of the digestion process in human body is mostly done? Answer is small intestine. In which solution gold is soluble? Answer is aqua regia. In which sound intensity is measured? In what it is measured? In decibels, sound is measured. In which sports India has won gold medal in Olympic Games 8 times? Answer is hockey. In which state does the sun first enter in India? Arunachal Pradesh. In which state is the Bandipur sanctuary located? Answer is Karnataka. In which state is the maximum production of saffron will be done? Jammu and Kashmir. In which state is the Nathula Pass located? Answer is Sikkim. In which state is the Sambar lake that makes salt? Rajasthan. In which state is the Sun Temple of Konark located? Answer is Odisha. In which state is the Valley of Flower located? Answer is Uttarakhand. In which state Malayalam language is spoken? Answer is Kerala. In which state of India is Darjeeling located? Answer is West Bengal. In which state of India Kannada language is spoken? Answer is Karnataka. In which university did the Chinese traveler Yuan Sang study? Answer is Nalanda. In which year Aryabhatta satellite was launched? 1975. In which year did Indian participate in the Olympic Games for the first time? 1900. In which year did the Arjuna Awards begin? Answer is 1961. In which year did the Nobel Prize begin? Answer is 1901. In which year did the Nobel Prize for Economics have been begun? Answer is 1969. In which year did the non-cooperation movement started? Answer is 1920. In which year did the railways start in India? 1853 from Mumbai to Thane. Jaistam located in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. In which year India won the first Cricket World Cup? Answer is 1983. In which year Mahatma Gandhi was born? 1869 October 2nd. In which year Planning Commission in India was established? Answer is 1950. In which year Sikkim state was formed? Answer is 1975. In which year was the atomic bomb dropped on Japan by America? In 1945. In whose time did the Chinese traveler Fahian visit India? Answer is Vikramaditya. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Answer is C. Rajagopalachari. India is a secular country. What does it mean? India has no state level religion. It is neutral in religious matters. The most educated state in India is what? Kerala. India's fifth navigational satellite name? Answer is PSLV C-31. India's border is the longest with which nation? Answer is Bangladesh. India's first supercomputer is what? Answer is Param 8000. Indian film actor Shatrughan Sinha is related to which state? Answer is Bihar. Indian Institute of Science is located at where? Answer is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research is located at? Answer is Varanasi. What was the construction period of Indian Parliament? Answer is the construction started in 1921 and it ended in 1927. Which longitude in India is called the Indian Standard Time? Answer is 82.5 east longitude, 82.5 degrees. Indian village where people speak in Sanskrit? Mattur, Karnataka. India's first woman IPS officer was? Answer is Kiran Bedi. Which is the India's highest award? Answer is Bharat Ratna. Indira Gandhi Botanical Garden is located at where? Answer is Rai Bareli, Uttar Pradesh. Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden is located at where? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts is located at New Delhi. Indira Point is located at where? Answer is Andaman. Indo-Pak War took place in which year? In 1971. INS Vikrant was decommissioned in which year? In 1997. Instrument to detect object under the water. Name the instrument to detect the object under the water. That is sonar. Answer is sonar. Insulin is used in the treatment of which disease? Answer is diabetes. International Yoga Day is celebrated on? Answer is June 21st. Where is Interpol headquarters located? Lyon, France. IPTL stands for what? Answer is International Premier Tennis League. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Is tomato a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization.